track.
Hi beautiful folks, it's girl Hannah and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. My name is Hannah before, and on this channel I do fitness, lifestyle and then fashion. So if you're new here, you are welcome. So in today's video, as titled, it's going to be about meal prepping. So if you know this channel, you know I don't meal prep without rice. So I would love to share with you the healthy way you can cook your rice to cut down some starch and then some carbs, okay? I keep eating rice. I can go a week without rice. So I would love to share with you my secrets, and then you know you can eat your rice in peace, but do not forget to add some workouts to it, okay? So without much ado, let's get right into today's video. So to start off with, I'm cutting all my vegetables. Everything is freshly washed, and you can also use frozen vegetables, but I love to use fresh vegetables because I'll be keeping the food in fridge for some days or probably a week. So I love to use fresh vegetables, so anytime you bring the food out, it looks fresh. So the next thing we are going to do is to wash the rice. So you make sure you wash it thoroughly, and I'm not going to use the rice cooker because I will drain off the water after some minutes. So you leave it to boil for about 8 minutes. So the next thing I'm going to do is to drain off the starch, okay? So I'm putting cold water on it, and you can see the water is white right now. So that is the starch there, and this is what we are avoiding. So if you're like me who can't stop eating rice but still want to maintain or lose some weight, then use this method and then you will see difference. But you make sure you wash the rice very well till the water becomes plain. So there you know you've lost some percentage of starch off your rice, so you can eat your rice in peace. Yeah, so you can see the water is plain now. So I'm going to put back the rice on fire. So I'm adding a little water to it. You can just leave it like this and it's going to cook perfectly on fire without adding another water. But it depends on what you're using the rice for. So now I'm going to add my salt to it. You know we didn't add salt. So I'm going to add salt, just a little salt to taste. So the next thing I'm going to do is the chicken. I'm adding a little oil to it. And also you can use any chicken seasoning of your choice. So I'm going to use my hands because I want the chicken to be coated with the marinade very well. So after I set it aside for 30 minutes, if you have time, you can keep it for an hour or more. So our rice is almost ready, and you can see we've lost an amount of starch from it. See, when I touch it, it drops easily. It doesn't stick to my hands. So meaning we've lost some starch from it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to stir the vegetables and the rice together. So I made the rice very soft because I'm going to keep the food in fridge for like 5 days, and then when you keep rice in fridge for just a day, it becomes very dry. So I made it very soft so I will get it fresh every time I bring 1 hour from the fridge, okay? So what I'm doing is similar to fried rice, but with fried rice you can add more oil. You can also add some eggs, you can add some chicken, shrimps, or whatever you want to put in there. But with this one, we're doing it for diet, and then I'm doing it a bit different, okay? So the next thing I added is my soya sauce and some salt to taste, and then I went in with the rice. So you can see how soft the rice is. Not too soft, but it is soft, yeah. So if you want to eat fried rice, but you don't want to gain weight, but still want to have a taste of fried rice, do try this recipe, and it tastes same or similar, okay? So very simple, and then that's it. So the next thing I did is to add the spring onions, and then I'm done. And also, like I say every time on this channel, I'm not good at counting calories, so I make sure I fill my body with the right food. I don't starve myself to maintain or to lose weight. So that's it. You eat right and then also work out, and then you will be able to maintain your body. So the last thing I'm going to do is the chicken. So you turn it till it is well done. I like my chicken golden brown, so that is what I'm doing right now. And also I want it very dry. So now I'm going to dish out the food. So this is what I was talking about. Whenever you keep your rice in fridge for more than a day, then you have to prepare it soft. If not, it's going to be dry. So this is how I prepare mine whenever I'm going to keep it for more than a day. So you can see with this, it's going to be 5 days.
Like M on the track.
So the chicken is also done. You can see how brown it is. This is how I want it. So if you're trying to change your meal or try something new, do try this meal and then you will enjoy it.